Hey YouTube, alright, this is my bike check. Alright, I got the Animal Edwin grips, DK bar ends, Rush brake lever, DK brake cable, stolen convex stem, stolen black Allen bolts, and Shadow Conspiracy blue Allen bolts. I got DK frame, DK frame. I got DK fork, DK pegs, DK rim and tires. Has pretty good grip, so yeah, that's why I kept them still. I got primo primo side hub guard. Okay, I got DK plastic pedals, DK crank arm, DK chain wheel, DK gold chain. Okay, I got poverty seat post, poverty pivotal seat post. I got decal silver seat post. It's pretty comfortable. I got the same thing as the front. I got a DK front, back tire and back rim. I got a silver silver air cap. I got I got a DK back peg. So that's it. Okay, now let me do the sound of the hub, sound of my bike. Just put this down. Well, that's it, YouTube. Thanks. Subscribe. And I might do another bike check when I get my parts from Dance Comp. I'm just get a few parts. Just the new chain wheel from Shadow chain wheel, stolen blue cranks. I'm gonna get a chrome 8 rise handlebars, chrome handlebars. I'm gonna get new grips, probably Odyssey long necks, cause these are wearing out already. And fit FAF white wall tires. So thanks for watching.